First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If possible, switch to another network and try again. Next, open the Play Store and search for Roblox. If an update is available, install it. An outdated app can sometimes cause connection errors. After that, clear the Roblox cache. Long press the Roblox app, tap App Info, then go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, restart your phone and launch Roblox again. You should also try joining a different game. Sometimes error code 267 is caused by the specific game's settings or by being removed from that game's server. Another important thing to check is whether your account has been kicked or restricted in that particular experience. If that's the case, you'll need to wait or contact the game's developers. Finally, if nothing works, log out of Roblox and sign back in to refresh your connection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.